All right, Jelly Burn drops. This is all about something that has the makings of being a scam, and it claims it's going to help you lose weight. And there's a gelatin recipe. And I'm not calling Jelly Burn a scam, but I am saying there's scam marketing all over the place for this product, and you can't figure out who's the founder, where are they located, where do they bottle the product. All that stuff is secret for whatever reason, and that is not a big surprise because I see that all the time. Jelly Burn drops. I do not recommend buying it. I recommend going and seeing a doctor because there's no evidence this product's going to have any amazing properties. It has scam marketing all over the place. Jenna Bush Hager right here is about to talk, but just it's not really her talking. It's a deep fake with AI generated technology, meaning manipulated lip movement. I'll hit play on this. You can see exactly what I mean.
The controversial pink gelatin trick Kelly Clarkson used to go from XL to XS is going viral on social media. Pay close attention for the next 32 seconds because Dr. Oz is about to share the recipe.
And by the way, really quick, hit like down below, the thumbs up button. That will tell Google and YouTube my video has value and credibility. And I really appreciate it because that's how my video gets high in Google and YouTube search results, so people will find it and be able to benefit from what I'm making right now.
The real pink gelatin recipe Kelly Clarkson used to lose 60 pounds is not the one being shared all over social.
So we don't need to watch anything else. Dr. Oz has nothing to do with this. No doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorsed Jelly Burn. Jelly Burn drops. There's no evidence this is going to do anything. This is just a hilarious product, in my opinion. And Kelly Clarkson did not benefit from this product. No one famous ever did. No doctors back this. No universities, nothing. This is a product that has a lot of scam marketing all over the place. And you know, basically when you get to the very end of the process, it has you fill out a survey. It goes to a website. This could come with a subscription of hundreds of dollars a month. I'm not saying it's going to, but it might. A money back guarantee that will never be honored. Maybe if you go through a scam funnel. It's not going to have miracle properties, this product. Jelly Burn is not going to be something you're going to want to order. It's just one of the latest products out there that's being marketed on weird .online or .shop websites with videos that lead to like My Cart Panda websites. And then from there, good luck getting your money back or figuring out exactly what's going on, and you keep receiving shipments, and it's not good. So like, comment, subscribe. The join button is down below. Really appreciate it if you want to tap those buttons, especially like and subscribe. And Jelly Burn, do not buy it. Go eat some jelly. You can buy jelly and just eat it. It's good. It tastes great. Jelly Burn, it's just a product name that someone came up with because it sounds interesting and they want people to think that there's a gelatin trick for weight loss, gelatin recipe. There is no gelatin recipe. That's a marketing device to get you to buy a product that's going to charge you a lot of money. That's all that is. Gelatin and Jello are not going to help you like lose weight. I hope that you understand that. Thank you so much for watching.